Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to download and install the Trust Wallet on your iPhone, first open up the App Store on your iPhone like this one. You can see my phone's App Store is just above the settings. Tap on that icon on your phone as well. And when you're on here, you might probably end up the today section or the game section of your iPhone's app store like this, but you'll be required to tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that search button like this, and you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap over there and type in the Trust Wallet like this and tap on search. And you can see guys, there is the Trust Wallet at the top of the screen. Tap over there and you can see guys, this is the Trust Wallet. Now in order to install it, you can see there is the cloud and a download option available, or you can get the get button instead of this button. So whichever you may get, tap on these buttons and the Trust Wallet will start to download on your iPhone. And let's wait for the Trust Wallet to be downloaded on our phone. And there guys, you can see the Trust Wallet has been installed on our phone. So let's open it, and you can see guys, from here you'll be required to sign up for a Trust Wallet on your iPhone, but we'll not be doing that. This tutorial is on how to download and install the Trust Wallet on our phone, and we have done that. With that being said guys, this is how you download and install the Trust Wallet on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.